Hello, my name is Pritesh Shah. Today in this tutorial, we will be speaking about leaders and leadership. Leaders, without a doubt, have a very powerful impact on their own and other people's lives. People follow the leader everywhere in all aspects of life. And as Zig Ziglar said, you can have everything in life you want if you will just help other people get what they want. First thing to get started is that you need to have a system for growth that helps develop leaders, and your system starts to duplicate. Identify the right team members and working with them is the key to sustainable growth. However, the point to remember is everyone has a slightly different reasons for being in Oriflame. There are three main type of brand partners that we have. 80% of your community is buyers or consumers. They buy for themselves and maybe their families. And their motive for being a brand partner is to buy products and routines at a discount. 10% are sellers who share their favorite product stories with others and earn an immediate profit on their sales. 10% then we have a potential business builders. They either join Oriflame because they want to build a business and reach their motivation. There are a lot of people in the community, so you have to choose whom to focus on. Which of these groups do you think you dedicate most of your time to? Well, the fact is you need to work with everyone, but in a different way. That's why it's important to know the interest of the people in your network. Upon reaching the manager level, identify the 10% of your community that is motivated to grow their business and invite them to your core team. Make sure you have about 3 to 5 members in your core team. Core team members fulfill their role and run all activities under your guidance. Under your leadership and training, one of the core team members grows to the 12% manager level himself. He or she duplicates your work and forms a core team. When you help multiple people grow to manager level, you become a director. Your new managers fulfill their role under your guidance now. And of course, you run all the activities as per the 3-level system. Remember that ongoing recruitment in your community is a must to be able to find new core team members every month. Remember to identify and focus on people with the right attitude and those who demonstrate growth aspiration. They will grow faster. When you develop a strong team spirit, relationship of trust and friendship, they will be more devoted. They learn from each other, complement each other's skills, exchange ideas and expertise. They will be more skilled. Together, you deliver more powerful meetings. They will attract bigger crowd. Gradually develop skills and methods. They will become independent. However, you as a leader need to have a vision and aspire for greatness and set clear goals on how to achieve success. When it comes to vision, remember to aim big. Teach people to always aspire for more. If you and your team will be confident in communicating and aspiring vision of your future as a team, you will attract an ambitious crowd. Here are some examples of what you can call your team. One president club, maybe the top entrepreneurs or a diamond team. We call our team as a vibrant business team. Remember, you need to be the center of motivation and positive energy to keep your team's vision alive at all times. The core team should always have clear goals. What are your core team goals and how to set them? Organize regular team meetings where you set team goals. Systematically follow up on the team goals. Example of the goals. 1. Reaching new level in success plan, for instance, consultant to become manager in 3 catalogs. Manager to become a senior manager in 3 catalogs, like that. Qualify to director seminar together with clear timelines. Each member plan his or her individual goals based on the team goals. Now, to understand whom to invite to your core team. So talk to people, listen to what motivates them and what do they want from Oriflame. We are in a business of people and you need to seek for traits in people that will make them great leaders in the future. Go for positive and passionate people, interested to learn new things and develop. People that have a good attitude and show the ability to work in a team. People that show commitment and dedication. People that not only show interest but also efforts and results. Someone who is attending all meetings and trainings, responding to questions and asking questions, placing orders and recruiting, reaching a new level in first month of joining. At the same time, you need to know who to avoid inviting to your core team. So avoid inviting to core team. One, maybe your best friends and family if they do not show efforts or results. People who claim commitment and do not show efforts or results. People you want to include but have no interest themselves. People who try to manipulate, like if you don't choose me, I will not place the order. You have to actively search for new core team members. Monitor your community to spot potential core team members. Welcome each and every newcomer in your community and ask about their interest in the business. Hey, welcome to my community. What a fantastic decision to join the Vibrant Business team. Congratulations. Hope you already heard the business opportunity that we offer. Can I give you a call and tell you all about it? Make sure that you develop a template that will make it easier and faster for you to contact people. Congratulate people for recruiting new brand partners. Make sure that you appreciate them and congratulate on the gift, and at the same time stress on what is the real win, the performance discount and starting building a community. Wow, just saw you have recruited 2 new brand partners in our community. That's amazing. You have qualified for the sponsor gift. What's more, you took the first step towards building a business and you earned your first performance discount. By joining my team, we can make it grow together. You can find the sponsors data in your business app. Congratulate brand partners on earning their performance discount. Hi Anika, must feel pretty good to receive your PD this month. I am proud of you. Since you know how to make money now, how about we take your earnings to the next level? Would you like to be a part of a high-performing, committed team that works and grows together? Another way to seek for people who can be potential core team members is observing people who show an interest in our opportunity or the products. Like, hi Sana, great to see that you have so many business-related questions. That means you are interested in starting something special when it comes to your career. Well, you are definitely in the right place. We have a very attractive business opportunity that I would love to tell you all about. When can I give you a call to chat? Hi Ria, I can see you really love our products and you are interested in how our community works. I believe you would really enjoy working with us closely. Can I call you now and tell you a bit more about our business opportunity and my amazing team of high-performing people who are on a fast track to real success? Make sure that you dive deep and find the right people in any level of your community. Now that we have identified the right set of people, it becomes equally important to invite them to be a member of core team. Highlight and compliment their attitude and skills, effort and results. Like, I see a big potential in you. You have not only qualified for sales program in the first week, but also easily recruited your friend. That's the kind of attitude that goes a long way in our business. Inspire with pointing out the attractiveness and benefits of core team. I am leading a group of high-performing people called the core team. They are all ambitious people, achievers who support each other and achieve better results with extra training and by working as a team. This year, we are going for director seminar together. If you are interested, you could join us. Now highlight the core team rules and explain their importance. Like, we all work as a team and follow our own rules that help us achieve our goals and success faster. Confirmation and interest may not be enough. Make sure you taste the commitment of potential core team members. Give each interested person the same challenge and compare their actions. Here are a few examples of tasks to delegate. Number 1, arranging for giveaways for face-to-face or virtual events. Number 2, preparing an invitation template for event. Welcoming people during your event. And of course, you support whenever they need help. Give a feedback so they can improve in the future. Remember, congratulate for whatever responsibility they did. No matter how small, they need to feel they succeeded. Recognition is completely your responsibility. And let's face it, everyone loves recognition. Recognize why. So the good behaviors are repeated to nurture relationships, boost energy. Who should you recognize? Everyone who have earned it. The rest will understand to put some more efforts. What should you recognize? Each achievement. First small and then bigger ones. How to recognize? Let's see some examples. We can start with a phone call or a text message. In social media, either open to public or in private groups of team members. During your face-to-face or virtual event, everyone must follow team rules set by the leader. If someone does not follow the rules as agreed or has a poor and unsuitable attitude, after appropriate warning, you must remove them from coaching. Can you leave the doors open? Yes. They can return to your training when they prove improvement. What if there is nobody that disciplined? You set the standard and they rise to it. Or you simply keep recruiting. Have rules. For example, number 1, to complete 150 BPs. Number 2, have 2 regular posting on social media. Attend BPS meetings 3 times a month done by upline director. Important to review this core team from time to time and remove people not committed enough or not taking actions for growth. These members should now be part of our regular group and should be replaced by more committed people. The only way to ensure enough core team members are getting added is to ensure recruitment is happening on daily basis. Let's conclude now. Your community consists of people of different interests. Constantly search and identify those determined to grow a business and invite them to your core team. When growing, they will form their own core team and lead them towards growth just like you did. Core team, if formed with right people, guarantees success. We all have experienced it. Some of the very successful leader-led events today in India are perfect example of success through core team. The entire team gets involved, from making an invite to bringing people to the event and finally executing it in the best possible way. Take the next step now. Form your core team today and start your journey of success through independent leadership. You have a great power in your hands. Be a leader, change lives. Thank you very much.